Riwruok mochung'ne okinde pacho ka Law Society of Kenya kotudore gobila omako miyo moro e boma ma Machakos mosebedo ka wuondore ni en okil kama loka. Miyono mosebedo ka timo tije mopogore opogore mag okinde bende odonjne ni osebedo ka iorone omenda kokalo e yor simb ong'we yamo mopogore gi agulu mar bengi. Apisa mag Law Society of Kenya kotelnegi kod Wavinya Nicholas notelo ne meko makamano bang' yudo milome kowuok kuom jopiny.
This is a notice and a warning we are giving to the members of the public, not just here in Machakos County, but all the 47 counties of this Kenya. If you know that you are transacting in the business of an advocate and you are not an advocate, this is the last warning we are giving you, because when we shall come to your chambers, when we shall come to arrest you, we shall not negotiate. Stop and cease acting as advocates if you know very well you are not a certified advocate of the High Court. And members of the public, when you're transacting, be it land transaction, be it sale agreement, be it succession matters, ensure the person you're dealing with and the person handling your matter is a certified advocate within the database of the Law Society of Kenya.